What if I told you that tonight you could step into a world where the laws of reality no longer apply? A world where you can fly, rewind time, face your fears, or create anything you want, all while your body is asleep. This isn't fantasy. It's something your mind can already do, if you know how to unlock it. Have you ever been in the middle of a dream and suddenly realized, wait a minute, I'm dreaming? And in that moment, the dream world becomes your personal playground? That amazing experience is called lucid dreaming, and it's not just something out of a sci-fi movie. It's a real skill that anyone can learn. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming, and I'll share with you the exact techniques you can use to start controlling your dreams tonight. So, what exactly is a lucid dream? Simply put, it's a dream in which you are aware that you're dreaming. This awareness can range from a fleeting thought to a full, stable realization that allows you to take conscious control over the dream's narrative, the environment, and even your own actions within it. Imagine flying over mountains, talking to historical figures, or practicing a real-life skill without any fear of failure. The possibilities are literally as limitless as your imagination. It's the ultimate virtual reality experience, powered entirely by your own mind. Before we get into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why you'd even want to have a lucid dream. For many, it's about pure fun and adventure, but the benefits go much deeper. Lucid dreaming can be a powerful tool for personal growth. You can use it to overcome nightmares by confronting your fears in a safe space. You can rehearse skills, from public speaking to playing a sport, which can actually improve your waking performance. It can also boost creativity, help with problem solving, and even provide a profound sense of self-awareness and spiritual exploration. It's about transforming your sleep into a productive and enriching part of your life. All right, let's get to the good stuff. How do you actually make it happen? It starts with improving your dream recall. After all, you can't become lucid in a dream you don't remember. The single most important habit to build is keeping a dream journal. Keep a notebook and pen or use an app on your phone right by your bed. The moment you wake up, before you do anything else, write down everything you can remember from your dreams. Don't worry about it making sense or being a complete story. Write down feelings, colors, random objects, anything. The more you do this, the more you're signaling to your brain that dreams are important, and you'll start remembering them in much greater detail. Next up is a foundational technique called reality testing. The goal is to make a habit of questioning your reality throughout the day so that this habit carries over into your dreams. When you're dreaming, your mind often accepts bizarre situations as normal. By doing reality checks regularly when you're awake, you'll eventually do one in a dream, and that will be your trigger for lucidity. So several times a day, stop and ask yourself, am I dreaming? Then perform a test. Try pushing your finger through the palm of your other hand. In waking life, it won't go through. In a dream, it very well might. Another popular check is to look at a clock or a piece of text, look away, and then look back. In a dream, the time or text will often be scrambled or completely different. Or try pinching your nose and seeing if you can still breathe. The key is consistency. Set alarms on your phone if you need to, but make it a regular part of your day. Now let's talk about specific induction techniques. One of the most famous is the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, or MILD. This is best done when you wake up in the middle of the night, perhaps after 4 to 6 hours of sleep, when your REM cycles are longer. As you're falling back asleep, repeat a mantra to yourself like, "Next time I'm dreaming, I will remember I'm dreaming." Really focus on the intention behind the words. At the same time, visualize yourself back in a recent dream you had, but this time, imagine yourself becoming lucid. See yourself noticing something strange, doing a reality check, and realizing you're in a dream. You're basically setting a strong intention for your mind to follow as you drift off. Another powerful technique is called Wake Back to Bed, or WBTB. This often goes hand in hand with mild. You set an alarm to wake yourself up about 5 to 6 hours into your sleep. When the alarm goes off, get out of bed for about 20 to 60 minutes. The key is to stay awake long enough for your mind to become alert, but not so long that you can't fall back asleep. During this time, you could read about lucid dreaming, meditate, or just quietly reflect. This primes your mind for lucidity. Then, when you go back to bed, you combine it with the mild technique, setting your intention to become aware in your next dream. This method dramatically increases your chances of having a lucid dream because you're re-entering sleep directly into a REM stage. For those who want to try something a bit more advanced, there's the wake-initiated lucid dream, or WILD. Unlike the other methods where you become lucid within an existing dream, WILD involves maintaining consciousness as your body falls asleep. You go from a waking state directly into a dream state without any break in awareness. This can be tricky. You lie down, relax your body completely, but keep your mind focused and alert. You might experience some strange sensations like vibrations, buzzing sounds, or even visual patterns known as hypnagogic imagery. This is the transition phase. The key is to remain calm and simply observe these sensations without getting scared or overly excited. If you can ride it out, you'll find yourself entering a dream world, fully conscious and ready to explore from the get-go. So you've done it. You're in a dream and you know it. What now? The first challenge is to stabilize the dream. The initial excitement can often cause you to wake up. To prevent this, stay calm. A great technique is to engage your senses within the dream. Rub your hands together and feel the friction. Look closely at the details on your hands. Spin around in a circle, or you can shout out, "Stabilize dream," or "Clarity now." This helps to ground you in the dream environment and makes it more vivid and less likely to collapse. Once your dream is stable, it's time to have some fun and start controlling things. Start small. Try to conjure a small object in your hand or change the color of a wall. The key to dream control is expectation. You have to truly believe that what you want to happen will happen. Don't just wish for a door to appear. Turn around and expect a door to be there when you turn back. To fly, don't just jump and hope for the best. Feel what it would be like to be weightless. Believe you can fly and then take off. It's all about tricking your dreaming mind into manifesting your will. It takes practice, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't work perfectly the first time. Learning to lucid dream is a journey, not a race. It requires patience and consistency. Some people have a lucid dream on their first try, while for others it might take weeks or even months of practice. The most important thing is to be persistent with your dream journaling and reality checks. Celebrate the small victories, like having better dream recall or just remembering to do a reality check in a dream, even if it doesn't make you lucid. Every step is progress. The rewards are absolutely worth the effort. You're not just learning to control your dreams, you're unlocking a deeper understanding of your own consciousness. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of the mind. I hope these techniques help you unlock your own world of lucid dreaming. Give them a try, be patient, and let me know about your amazing dream adventures in the comments below.